drops of rain tap the window once again. Clouds are dancing in the sky, gray and fluffy floating by. Little boots go splash, splash, splash through the puddles, dash, dash, dash. Colorful umbrellas bright bloom like flowers in our sight. Wind goes whoosh and trees all sway. Raindrops join the game we play. Laughing children spin around, happy splashes on the ground. Pitter patter on the street, raindrops tapping to the beat. Clap your hands and sing along, rain becomes a joyful song. Paper boats begin to sail, floating down the tiny trail, racing softly down the stream like a rainy day dream. Jump in puddles, hop and play, watch the water splash away. Boots go thump and coats stay dry, raindrops falling from the sky. Wind goes whoosh and breezes blow, leaves dance softly to and fro. Trees are swaying left and right in the rainy silver light. Soon the clouds will drift away, sun will shine and warm the day. Golden light begins to grow, raindrops sparkle down below. Rainbow arches big and wide, shining brightly in the sky. Red and yellow, green and blue, rain has painted colors new.